Hello and welcome. My name is Marion Solis, mastermind leader, healer, coach, and author. And in this video, I want to show you why we don't save and how to make it fun. Get something to take a few notes and write down approximately how much you have in savings. For this purpose, let's look at fairly liquid savings versus long-term investments. Then look at the number and notice what feelings and thoughts are coming up immediately and write those down. Pause the video now to capture these golden nuggets. Did you write it down? Were you surprised or maybe even shocked about what came up? For many, the primary feelings around their savings are sadness, loss, fear, or disappointment. But yours could very well be different. Regardless of what came up for you, notice that it popped up almost immediately. Do you know why? Because these thoughts and feelings are wired into your nervous system. They're based on your unconscious programming. They happen automatically. Scientists such as Dr. Bruce Lipton estimate that as much as 95% of our behavior is due to unconscious programming. If your unconscious is not in line with finding it rewarding and desirable to save, you are not going to do it consistently and intentionally. The most important step is to change your unconscious programming. The easiest and fastest way I know of is to use one of the many extraordinary positive prime sessions in the money section. And to start making savings fun, try this. Open several savings accounts or use jars at home and give each one a purpose. For example, do you want to set money aside for the unexpected? Create a financial peace account. Accumulate money to start investing? Create a financial freedom fund or call it your golden goose. Do you want to go to Italy? Create an Italy account. You get the idea. Give every dollar or euro or yen a job. Instead of telling yourself, I should really start saving, decide on a percent or amount that you will consistently put into these savings accounts to reach a specific goal. And do this every time money comes in. Build the habit, even if you just start with a symbolic penny. Saving from a scarcity mindset enforces scarcity. Saving towards a goal enforces the goal. Aside from using positive prime, I also love using EFT tapping, a scientifically proven mind-body technique to change unhelpful programming. Let's use one of the tapping points, which is about 1 inch below your collarbone. Gently tap and repeat after me. I am an excellent money manager. I always pay myself first. I am so happy and proud now that my savings increase every single day. Repeat this tapping several times daily, along with watching positive prime. In fact, why don't you watch a session right now? It only takes 3 minutes. I'm Marion Solis. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.